You know, I always wanted to write a song for my dad. My dad taught me a lot. He used to say, I'm the jack of all trades, but the master of none. But to me, he was the master of being the jack of all trades. I couldn't believe how much he knew and how much he taught me about just everything, about life, about building things, about how everything works, and it was just amazing what he gave me. So one day he was out there smoking a cigarette, and I came by and I go, "Hey Dad, how come you're smoking a cigarette?" I was little then. He goes, "Well son, I smoke a cigarette for company." So that went right over my head. But then I got older and I went sailing one day, and it was the most beautiful day. And I started thinking about my dad. It was sunset, and I was with some friends, and it all made sense. And right there, that's where the song began, with that phrase. I started thinking about him, and I wrote this next song. My dad never sailed in his life. I never called him Jackson, but he's always the captain of the ship. He's a great captain. Thank you, Dad. He's captain of a small ship, and he called her the Queen. And Jackson was an old man, the skipper of the sea, and he dreams about one day an island he'll find, got lost in the ocean, just passing in time, and he'd rather be sailing than sailing away. And he'd rather be sailing than sailing away. And he'd rather be sailing. And he's been to places, and he's been to places, and he knows them quite well,
and he knows them quite well.
But those are just traces of stories to tell, and he loves his lady, and his whiskey is sweet. But sailing's his first love. It keeps us so free, and he'd rather be sailing than sailing away. And he'd rather be sailing than sailing away. And he'd rather be sailing. And he goes where the wind blows, and he flows with the tide, He's just going nowhere, just gone for the ride, with a cigarette for company and a shot for good times, and a sunset to follow into the night, and he'd rather be sailing, sailing away, and he'd rather be sailing, yes he would, sailing away, and rather be sailing Thank you so much, everybody. We love you. Again, for playing us in. That's a